Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rarsa Jeng Pratiwi from Accounting Study Program with NPM 2310008. Here, I want to explain about ethic and social responsibility in international business. Introducing to ethic and social responsibility. Ethic and social responsibility are more important aspect in international business that not only focus on profit but also on the impact on society and the environment. In a globality context, companies face different standards of values and norms in each country, making the application of ethics more complex. Business ethics refer to moral principles that guide a company's behavior in making decisions. Meanwhile, corporate social responsibility or CSR relate to a company's commitment to making a positive contribution to social. Both of these are important foundations in creating a sustainable and trustworthy business at the global level. The concept of international business ethics. International business ethics include moral principles used in decision making across countries. However, the main challenge is the extent of different ethical standards between countries. There are several approaches in ethics. First, ethical universalism, ethical principles that apply globally. Second, ethical relativism, ethics adjust to local culture. And the last is ethical absolutism, ethical standards that must not be violated. Companies must be able to balance global standards and local values in order to remain ethical and relevant. Ethical dilemma in international business. In practice, companies often face ethical dilemmas, which are situations where there is a conflict between moral values and business interests. Example of dilemmas: bribery practice in certain countries they are considered normal, lower labor standards in developing countries, exploitation of natural resources, differences in product safety standards. Companies must be able to make decisions that are not only economical beneficial but also in accordance with ethical principles. Next is corporate responsibility or CSR. Corporate responsibility is a company's commitment to contribute to sustainable economic development while considering social and environmental welfare. Corporate responsibility includes responsibility toward employees, such as welfare and occupational safety. The second, responsibility toward the company, such as social programs, and social responsibility toward the environment, such as waste management and sustainability. International business, CSR becomes important because companies operate in various countries with different social conditions. Next is environmental issue in international business. Global companies have a significant impact on the environment, making environment issue a major concern in social responsibility. Some environment issues: first, water, air and water pollution. Second, industrial waste management. The third, climate chunks, and the last is exclusive use of natural resources. Companies are required to implement environmentally friendly business practices such as using renewable energy and sustainable production. Next is human rights and labor. International business companies must pay attention to human rights and labor conditions in the countries where they operate. Common issues that arise: lower wage and labor exploitation, child labor, exclusive working hours, and unsafe working conditions. Responsible companies must ensure that their operations do not violate human rights and provide protection for workers. Next is corporate governance. Corporate governance is a system that regulates how a company is run and monitored. Good governance ensures transparency, accountability, and integrity in business. Main principles: transparency and reporting, management accountability, fairness to all stakeholders, and responsibility for business impact. International business, good governance help companies avoid scandal and increase global trust. Ethical change in the global environment. Companies face various challenges in implementing ethics and social responsibility at the global level, such as cultural difference and moral value, inconsistent regulation between countries, pressure to maximize profit, and lack of oversight in some countries. Companies must be strong and consistent ethical policies in order to face this challenge. Next is international ethical standard and regulation. In international business, there are various standards and regulations that govern corporate ethics and social responsibility. The standards aim to create fair, transparent, and sustainable business practice worldwide. Some international standards include guidelines from international organizations related to social responsibility, sustainability reporting standards, anti-corruption and transparency principles, and environmental and labor protection legislation. Companies that follow these international standards will find it easier to gain trust from investors and the global community. In addition, compliance with regulation also helps companies avoid legal and reputational risks. And the last is positive impact of ethics and CSR on companies' performance. The implementation of ethics and social responsibility not only provides benefit to society but also has a positive impact on companies' performance. In the long term, companies that apply ethical principles tend to have a stronger competitive advantage. Some of the positive impacts include: first, improving the company's reputation and image in the eyes of the public. Second is building trust with investors and stakeholders. And third, increasing customer loyalty. Fourth, reducing the risk of complex and legal issues. And last is promoting long-term business sustainability. Therefore, ethics and CSR are not only more obligation but also important business strategies to achieve success in the global market. I think enough that presentation. If there's mistake, I'm so sorry. And thank you very much for your nice attention. And finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.